Hey there, today I have a short starry unboxing for you. And we do have our special guest here, Miss Cleo. If you're not familiar with Short Starry, it's an online styling service very similar to Stitch Fix, but with Short Starry, it's geared towards petite women. And for reference, I'm 5'1", so I'm very petite. I've been doing Short Starry for about 6 years now, and I do really like Short Starry. I've had, I would say, a lot of luck in the past and gotten some really nice things from them. And with Short Starry, I just do it quarterly, so about every 3 or 4 months. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, it always comes in this peach-colored box. Oops. And here's a peek at my box. They have very nice presentation. Okay, and here is a peek at my bundle. And everything looks very sophisticated, yeah? So with Short Starry, you always get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. And you also get a note from your stylist along with a summary of all of the items that are in your box. And they usually have some tips on how to style things. So for this box, and it is box 12, and they call it a chapter because it's Short Starry, my stylist is Amalia V, and I've had Amalia for, I would say, 4 or 5 boxes now. So it looks like she sent me 7 items, and some of them are actually complete outfits. So I'm excited to see what she sent me. And I think the way I'll do this unboxing is, since she's got it set up mainly as outfits, I'm going to go ahead and unbox them as outfits, and then do the try-on for each outfit. Okay, so first up, okay, so this is, oh, it's a dress. It's very cute. It's a navy knit dress. And it's got a V-neck, and it's kind of flouncy. It also has pockets, so that's always a plus. So yeah, I like this. I think it's very cute. I did get something kind of similar in a Stitch Fix last year, so we'll see. Okay, and this is the Nora tiered mini dress by Tribal in the color Jet Blue, size small petite, and this one is $89. So I would say the pricing for Short Starry is very comparable to Stitch Fix. So it's not the cheapest, but you are paying for a stylist to curate this chapter for you. So yeah, I do like this dress. It is expensive, but let's go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, so this dress, I would say, is so cute. It's really cute, and it's very wearable. It's flouncy. It has pockets. It's a nice knit material, but I do have a very similar dress in navy in a similar style, but it's longer. So I don't need it, and it is kind of expensive, but I do really like it. I think this is a very nice casual dress you could wear like shopping if you go to the mall or something, because you can just throw it on and it's comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna try to style everything myself. I'm not a stylist, but I will try. Okay, so here I have it with this white, kind of a chunky cardigan and a purse. And both of these are from Quince. So initially I was going to style it with a denim jacket, which is what I always do, but I'm trying to get away from that. So I'm trying to do something different. So yeah, I think this looks okay. And a nice casual look, and you just throw on a comfortable cardigan and you're good to go. But yeah, I do like this dress. I wish I didn't have something so similar, or I would probably keep this. But yeah, I think this is a good start. Okay, and next up, I got this. Oh, wow. It's a jumpsuit. And it's a very pretty green color. I think it's teal. I've actually gotten a couple jumpsuits from Short Starry that I've kept and really love. And this is the Hester V-neck jumpsuit, and it's by Petite Assembly, which is their own brand. And it's in hunter green in a small petite, and this one is $64. So yeah, 64. This is such a pretty color. I don't have a lot of green, to be honest. But yeah, this is nice. You can see it. Okay, so this jumpsuit, I kind of like it. I don't have a lot of green, and to be honest, I don't think I have anything in this green color. It's very dressy, and I would say the fit is good. I don't know if the top is a little big. Here's a peek at the back. I actually put it on backwards first. I thought the front was the back, but no, it's this way. You can tell by the pockets. So yeah, it does have pockets. It's super comfortable. This is actually something I could picture bringing maybe on a trip for dinner. I don't usually do a lot of sightseeing in a jumpsuit just because of the bathroom situation, but it is nice. I think this is dressy. So here is a close up on what the color looks like. It's very nice. Yeah, I think this is a really pretty jumpsuit, and I do have, like I said before, a couple jumpsuits already from them, and you know, they're very comfortable and very wearable. Okay, so now let's try to style this. Okay, and here it is with a black cardigan and a black purse. So this cardigan is just a basic cardigan that I picked up from Old Navy probably a year ago. And this purse is from Quince. I have a lot of Quince purses. So yeah, I think that's a nice look. And not sure if I'll be keeping it just because I already have a couple jumpsuits from Short Story, but definitely worth considering. Okay, and next, I have this white blouse. And this is a Dania woven tee by Petite Assembly in ivory in a small petite, and it was $44. So this is just a white t-shirt, but it's in a woven material. So it's not, I don't think it's stretchy. And it doesn't have any buttons or anything. You just kind of like pull it over. So this is just a nice basic. And she has it with this, oh, it's a wrap skirt. Yeah, I'm challenged when it comes to wrap clothing. I don't like things that are not just pull on and easy to go. But I will try. Yeah, it's a wrap skirt. Oh dear. It's such a pretty print. And this is the Flora side tie wrap skirt by Dress Forum in blue lilac. It's a small petite and it's $54. So yeah, let me just see if I can figure this out. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. So I think this would be a very pretty outfit. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this outfit, I'm not hating. I kind of like it more than I thought I would. This skirt is very pretty. I do love this very kind of subdued or more mellow print, and it is a perfect spring look. And it goes perfectly with this blouse. So yeah, I don't know. This is just kind of a nice basic top, to be honest, and I don't think I have something like this. I'm pretty sure this is polyester though, but it's not terrible. And this skirt is gorgeous. I kind of like it. I don't know where I'd be going though, because I don't really work in an office anymore. I'm more work from home or not working at all, or doing YouTube. So yeah, I do like this. I think it's nice. It's beautiful. And let's just go ahead and style this. And although this is screaming for a denim jacket, let's be honest, I'm gonna go a different route. Okay, so I am channeling Kate Middleton here. So I've added an ivory cardigan, and this is also from Old Navy. I picked up an ivory one and a black one, and I'll link it down below if it's still available, but I did buy it last year. And I also have this brand new Strathbury bag, well, pretty new. I bought it for myself for Christmas. Yeah, so Strathbury is a British handbags brand. So yeah, I kind of like this look. Are you feeling the Kate Middleton vibes? I think it's really nice. Okay, and the next item, it's just a yellow top. And she put this in because I had requested a short sleeve spring layer. Actually, I was thinking more like a short sleeve cardigan. And this is more like a top, but I love this yellow. I think this is really pretty. And this is the rib knit button down V-neck. It's by Sugar Lips, and it's in the color light yellow. It's a medium petite. She says it runs small, so she sized up, and it's $32. So that's not bad. And actually, Short Story doesn't have like a buy 5 discount, kind of like some of those other services like Stitch Fix. So you basically just pay for what you keep. And there is a $25 styling fee, so it's always nice to have like a less expensive basic in your box in case you don't see anything else you want to keep, and then you don't lose your styling fee, because your styling fee does get applied to whatever you keep. So this might be the one. But it is cute. It's not an outfit like the other ones, but I kind of like this top. It's a nice basic. I can see myself wearing it, and I like the color. So let's see. Okay, so this top, I just think it's okay, to be honest. And yeah, I know I did request something like this, so that's probably why she sent it. I mean, it's not bad. I like the color. I think it's a very cheerful spring yellow. And I just put a tank top underneath because that's what I was envisioning. And it looks okay. And I've paired it with these Anthropologie jeans, which are very expensive, some white sneakers from Kizik's. So I think that's a very casual spring look. Okay, so I also tried buttoning. I notice nowadays the look, and I could be wrong, they button things only partially, and they leave the bottom unbuttoned. So I don't know if that's in style, but it appears to be. Okay, and let's try to add a bag. Okay, so here we go. Added a purse. I think this is okay. Not bad. Okay, and next, I got this satin tank top. Yeah, this is the wild card, she said. So this is very pretty. See, look, it's got buttons in the back. And this is the Rowan Floral Satin Shell by Petite Muse, which is their own brand. And the color is black yellow. And this is a small petite, and it's $48. So yeah, $48 for this top, very pretty top. It's very dressy. And she's got it with these pants. So satin matching pants. Wow. Here's the front. It's got a tight waist and kind of a thicker waistband, and it's a very wide leg. And these are the Rowan Floral Satin Drawstring Pant in a 25-inch inseam by Petite Muse, which is their brand, and it's a small petite and $74. So these two could make a very interesting outfit for me, because I did tell her I'm going on a cruise in Japan this year. So she said this would be nice to take on the Japan cruise. So we'll see. We'll try these on and see how it looks. Yeah, this is a wild card for me. It's not something that I would have ever picked out for myself, but let's try it on. Okay, so here's the wild card. And you know, this is very nice. It's got pockets. It feels so smooth and soft. It's very silky. And I don't know if you're supposed to tuck in the tank top. I just left it out. I tried tucking it in and it looked a little awkward. So I'm just leaving it with this flowy look. So these pants are just the right size. They're wide leg. They have a little bit of a slit on the bottom. But I have to say everything in this, I was going to say fix, but it's a chapter, has been really good in terms of fit. So yeah, this one, it does fit. I think it looks pretty nice. I don't know if I look like I am in pajamas though. But yeah, it is a more of a dressy evening dinner look. So yeah, let's add a cardigan and a purse. See how that looks. Actually, let's just first add a purse because I think that is more the look. So I think that looks pretty cute, but I would always need to have like a topper, a jacket or something. So let's add a sweater. Okay, and I just added that same white cardigan, and I think that looks okay. So I do think this is interesting. I don't have anything like this. I think it would be travel friendly because it's really light. It doesn't take up a lot of space in your suitcase. You could probably also wear this differently, like they're separate. You could put a black top with this pants, and you could put like black pants with this top. But yeah, I do think this is very nice. It's different. Definitely would never have tried this on. And yeah, I think that is one of the benefits of trying one of these styling services, because you never know what somebody else is going to pick for you. And it's very interesting. And it's fun. Okay, so that was everything I got in my short story box this time. And for this box, I got 7 items, and the total less my styling credit of $25 would be $380. But the way this works is you basically just pay for what you keep. Yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of the clothes and what you thought the keepers were. But anyway, now it's time to say goodbye. And for today's video, I think I'm gonna call Miss Cleo, since she's right there. And here she is, Miss Cleo. And yeah, it's always kind of quiet when there's no Kaya. Yeah, because Kaya's at the groomers now, and she'll be back soon. But Cleo's always a little more subdued when there's no Kaya around, even though Kaya just pretty much sleeps all day. But as far as how Cleo's doing, she's doing great. She is absolutely living her best life, I feel. I think that, yeah, she found a home, because she was basically a homeless dog before, right? It's hard to believe that she was, because she's just the sweetest thing. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye now. Goodbye. Bye.